All right. We made it. Made it to stream today. I'm proud of myself. I have been playing way too much Dragon's Dogma. Let's open our scale template. Save that. You love democracy? How's the voting going? I put up a poll. If you guys didn't see it, oh my god. Hey, if you guys haven't noticed yet, there's a poll on here. Whatever you guys vote on is what we're working on today. We have 4 different options. The card game, Delver's Pass, skill trees, or better two-handed combat. We don't really need to work on better two-handed combat. We can do something else if you guys want. But currently there's only one vote, so that doesn't seem like democracy to me. I will mail everyone I voted pins. If you please go vote. I don't promise, but what's a politician to do? Card game. I have both projects open. I have Swords of Magic open, which I haven't touched in like 3 or 4 days now. Just a heads up. So it's gonna be a little bit of like getting back into it for that, but and then I have the card game open. Oh, this isn't the card game. Don't worry, I can open the card game in like no time. Don't say that. Better two-handed comment. I'm screeching. Wait, hold on. You said comment. I think you meant combat. Trying to get more Arisen and Swords Magic stuff. Maybe a little bit. I've been playing as a warrior in Dragon's Dogma, and the combat is so much better than, I mean, obviously, like, you know, it's a AAA game, obviously, like, I'm not comparing the games, but I am comparing the fact that, like, our one-handed combat has, like, combos now, and is interesting to a degree, and feels pretty good to play, but two-handed is, like, the same animation over and over again, and it kind of sucks, and it does not feel as, like, big and impactful. Which is kind of frustrating to me, because I used to like two-handed weapons the best in Swords of Magic, because they were just like huge and fun to like swing around, but not so much anymore. Oh, is my camera all broken again? I updated my graphics card and everything, and I assumed that it was going to be fixed, and I guess I was wrong. Skill trees 1. We're working on skill trees. The card game is actually coming along though. You can place your blacksmith character onto like a mining node or whatever, and it'll just harvest a resource. It does it instantly right now, but we need, like, the next step is going to be setting up hang on. The music just got really loud. Let me know if it gets too loud or whatever again. Anyway, so you can now, like, the next step is going to be setting up like the progress bar at the top of the cards, and also probably some like more widget stuff, or like more options for each card. It's like when you place your blacksmith on like, or when you place any cards on like a smith, or not a smith, on like an anvil, it should drop down and let you pick a recipe. As of right now, if you place anything that gets like smelted or like processed onto a processor card, it'll automatically just process it. But it needs like a timer to like keep looping it, which is working out really well so far. So the crafting and everything works. So, and I mean, so far it's fun. So, do we name our blacksmith? Sure, I don't see why not. We can have that. That could be like in like the start of like new game. Name your blacksmith. Name your smithy or whatever. When you say blacksmith, do you mean blacksmith, or do you mean like character, or like your smith, like your shop? Let's get Mystic Corruption working. Okay, so about that, Matt, I'm actually thinking about redesigning that. I've been thinking about it, and I just feel like there's a lot of opportunity. There's a lot of cool opportunities for like other options other than like the AOE thing, the aura. And I just don't think I love everything being focused around the aura anymore. It just feels it feels a little too passive to me, I guess. And I'd rather it be a little more like more than just like every time I cast a spell, my aura comes back up, and then I just have an aura and it does all the work for me. You know? Like I'd rather it be focused more on casting spells. Like the more spells you cast, the more things should happen, not just casting one spell and then everything happens. So I'm thinking about revamping it. Like there could still be an aura, but maybe that's like a higher level thing and it's just like one thing, maybe two things. And then but then like maybe it's like two other branches or whatever that are just their own thing. Both? Yeah, both. Fine. What's up, Monkey Socks? Welcome in. Alright, let me catch up on chat because I missed everything. I just want to liberate Malevolon Creek, but it's already liberated. Okay. Kind of trying to get more. Oh, Kindra trying to. So the funky camera again. Good, yay! I'm excited about that. It might just be because I had too many things open. We can close this. And I can close Maya, I guess. Unless we want to work on. Oh no, we're working on. We can close this. That was Eben's Tower, by the way, which is almost done. Something like cam issue. Yeah, I guess so. Probably, yeah, probably when I was opening a different project or whatever. Okay. Essentially the Space Vietnam in Helldivers 2. Oh, I see. Anyway. But yeah, been playing a lot of Dragon's Dogma. It says I have like 33 hours or something. I don't. I left the game open. Okay, I didn't leave the game open. I closed the game every single time I close the game. I don't know if this happens with you guys playing it, but I get a pop-up that says it crashed every time. And I know that happens sometimes with Swords and Magic, so I wonder if it's an Unreal Engine game, but I don't know. I feel like it is just because of the quality of the I don't know, the graphics, but who knows. Anyway, and so that popped up and I didn't notice it, so I just put my computer to sleep. And so it sat and thought I was playing the game for another 10 hours or 12 hours, whatever, until I opened my computer again the next day. So yeah, so I have like an extra like 10 hours racked up on it. Yay. Anyway, I'm loving it though. I'm absolutely like kind of obsessed with it. It might be like one of my top 5 like new favorite games. And it's been a while since I've like played a AAA game or any game really and been like, wow, this is like definitely one of my new favorite games, but like I'm pretty sure this is up there. I'm really enjoying it. I can just you just go and get lost for hours and like find stuff to do, and it's like super fun. I don't know, I'm really into it. Anyway, what about content warning? What about content warning? Content warning? Oh, I haven't played that. I haven't played that yet. I know what you're talking about. Okay, we're working on skill trees. I should update the Steam or the stream information too. How do I do that? Do I have to go to Twitch to do that? I feel like you can do it through a chat command. Stream manager. Add my ads manager. Okay, I guess I did that. What am I looking for? Hmm. I have no idea how to do this. I don't know. I don't know how to change this. The stream manager is so... There's a lot going on. I don't know. If you guys know how to change it, just someone tell me. I'll Google. I guess I can Google it. I guess it doesn't matter that much. It should be easier than this. Having to collect 220 secret tokens is annoying. Did you at least wait? Hold on. Did you at least get it when it was free? No, I don't play multiplayer games like that. I just want my self-resing pawn staff. I don't know. I don't care about it. Secret tokens seemed like they seem like the like extra things, and so I just whenever I'm like this, there's probably one up here, and I go and search for it. And if I find one, then I find one. I've only found 2. So I'm not too concerned about finding them. Like I don't really want the game to be incredibly easy. I like how challenging the game is. I actually think it's easier than it. What? Thanks so much for the sub. Appreciate that. Thanks, Oob. 29 months is crazy. Anyway, I think that the game is actually easier than I expected it to be. When I was watching people play it, I was like, oh, this is gonna be hard. And I'm just like in a location where like I'm out leveled or something. I don't know, but I did find my first dragon this morning, or no, last night playing. And I was like, I'm gonna try it, and it's like freaking 6 health bars, and I was like, maybe, and I got like one of its health bars down to like a quarter or something, and then I died, and I was like, should I res? Because I have 3 res stones, whatever they're called, wake stones, and I was like, I don't think it's worth it. I think I'm gonna reload and run around this thing. I don't think we're gonna kill it. So I didn't really give it the old college try, just because I figured it was gonna be a lot, and yeah, it was probably gonna be a lot. I don't think I'm meant to fight that yet. But I take down like every other big monster I see. Like every single time I'm like, oh, there's a troll or whatever, and like I fight them. Anyway, I still don't know how to do this, so I guess we're just gonna leave it maybe. Edit stream info. Creator dashboard, stream manager, edit stream info. Well, yeah, I mean, like, it seems like that's an obvious thing, but I don't see that anywhere. Oh, I found it. But I have to, like, put it somewhere, and I don't have space for any of this junk. Oh, it's right there. I got it. Oh, damn it. Now all these are on. So I had just discovered the quick actions tab. Oh, there it is again. Okay, I got it. Done. Okay, fixed. I'm gonna save all your wake stones until endgame for spoiler reasons. Oh, well, yeah, please don't spoil anything for me. I usually don't finish games, but this is one I might actually finish. We'll see. I just finished clearing out like the monster threat or whatever. I'm about to head back to the main city that I can't think of the name of right now. I'm not very far. I'm sure I'm very, very early in the game still, but Yeah, I'm just trying to save them because I've used one, I think. Might have reloaded, I can't remember. But yeah, I try to like save as often as I can so I can reload if I mess up. It's a little scary though. I'm always afraid I'm gonna hit save and then immediately just like be killed by like a dragon or something, and then reload and get killed by the dragon again. You know, there's a Viva La Dirt League that has like a something like that where like a guy's like on the edge of a cliff or something. He's like quick save and then falls off the cliff, and then he's like quick load and then he loads and he's like right on the edge of the cliff again and he can't save himself and he keeps doing it over and over again. And he's like, fine, load game, and then he's like way back in the beginning of the game. Yeah, it is so good. I agree. Shablo, your wife's playing it for a second time. Yeah, so I really want to play the thief. I started as the fighter and went to the warrior just because like I wanted to like I don't know. For some reason I don't know what it is. Whenever I play like an RPG for the first time, my brain always goes like to like I want to be like the warrior guy. I guess I just want to play like the classic like what they kind of expect you to play. I don't know why. I don't know. And I really like the sword and shield, and then I switched to two-handed, and I hated it at first. I was like, this is so stupid. Like it's so slow. You can't like do anything. Like I just get wrecked every time I try to like swing my sword, and it's so slow. So I was like missing everything and like not getting any damage in and stuff. And then I kind of started getting the hang of it, and we fought like a big guy, like a big monster, and I was like, okay, no, this is actually really fun. Like it's a two-handed, and so I decided to stick with it. So I'm like level 7 or something warrior now. I don't remember what it is. Rank 7, I guess. Anyway, yeah. So hold on, we need to open up our design board here. Get off my screen. What are you talking about? My account doesn't have its password. Fire. I was logging the wrong account. God. I'm on the wrong account still. Getting there. Hang on. Oh, we're in an ad break anyway. Perfect. Isn't Tarzan a better swinger than Spider-Man, considering he can't place his own ropes? Maybe? But like you have to consider the fact that like Spider-Man has the ability to do a lot more with his ropes than Tarzan does, and therefore he's much better, right? But I guess if you're saying just is he a better swinger, I'm not sure. You have to ask his partners and his wife. Moving on. All right, so we have we don't have any of this stuff on the list here, but like one issue is I think a lot of the passives. Or I'll move this over here. We're gonna do a little bit of spoilering here. A lot of the passives on here were intended to be like I think we got this one working, but like this we decided this is a good idea, but it like doesn't quite work. I think like we figured out that this wasn't like working because we couldn't figure out like how to remove negative effects exactly. Unless we I guess we could just add the negative effects to a list and then just like randomly remove them, but I don't know. The problem with that is like if it just keeps trying to remove burn and your character or like your ally is like electrocuted or has like poisoned or whatever, it's just gonna like it can't find what their ailment is, I guess we could. Okay, so what we could do is like loop through a list. No, even it's a little messy. I don't think we should do this. So we need to fill that one out still. Peripherals are now 50% more powerful if the target is below 25% health. I don't know if this works or not. I think we could get this one to work. Because I think we can check whenever, let's see. Let's go look at our player. No, it's let's see, BP character, I think. We're probably gonna have a lot of camera flickering today while working on Swords of Magic. Because it's just kind of heavy. On apply damage. I don't. Maybe this is where we want to do this. So we already have a bunch of these. Yeah, I think that's what we're doing. So we already have a bunch of this Mystic stuff working. Let's go get our journal open. And let's go turn on. What is it? I want to say it's journal container. I don't actually. It's probably journal page container or journal page. One of these two, probably. Swords Magic is so slow. But yeah, I basically took the whole weekend off, which I haven't done in a long time. I worked yesterday for probably like 4 hours or so on Arcane Toy Box stuff, did some modeling, and more like just preparing to put all the packs together and trying to figure out which packs are going to go in there. Which is fun. And then the rest of the weekend I pretty much just did family stuff. We did a lot of like yard work stuff, getting like our grass weather ready for spring and everything. And then we did what else did we do? We did that's about it. And then I played Dragon's Dogma. Let's open journal page. Nope. Where is it? It can't be this. No. You know what else I'd like to do? So I watched it. This weekend I actually watched this is not it there. Where is it? What am I looking for? Is it just called Skills? Yeah, it is. I think it's skill content. Nope. Container. Nope. Wait, how is it not content? That's the classes. We need skill what? Entry? What the heck? Which one is it? This is where the actual like skills go. I don't know where it is. This is like the most annoying part about trying to like set this up again. It's like every single time I have to like remember how all this works. What else would it be called? It's skill something. I know it is. There's so many widgets too. It's like so hard to find where this is at. Is it journal something? I don't know. I'm insane. It's right here. We've been on here this. Yeah, I'm stupid. Okay. That's it. That's all I had to do. I just had to rearrange those. Anyway, Shabla, we're working on skill trees today. Mostly, I'm trying to figure out. Korag, thank you so much for the posture check. Let's bring the chair up. Sit up. There we go. Okay, let's make sure we don't want 2 players for this. Like, we need to look at the oh god, it's so loud. Oh, you know what we need to do? We need to look at the free content for this month. And we need to turn down the volume post haste. Okay. Skills, Mystic. Oh, why is it not showing up? Wait, what? Why is that not working? This is not gonna work. Why is that not working? We didn't do anything, and like I know this was working before, I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's probably not finding the skill because I don't have it. No, 0. Because I don't have any skills, maybe? Maybe that's just a bug we never noticed before. Free content is out today, yes. What is happening? What? Oh, wait, hold on. I know what's wrong. What's wrong? Why is this not working? I don't understand. Like, this was working just the other day. I guess we just need to bring a crab out and kill it, I guess. I don't know. This is why it's so hard to get back into, like, working on this game. Because it's just like... Like, why is Warrior working? Alchemy is working. Cooking is working. Fishing doesn't. Mount doesn't. Like, why do those others work? I don't get it. I guess let's go find, I don't know. It's also really annoying when this doesn't work. Like, what's up, Loki? Really enjoying to watch the game's development journey. Are there still any plans for ever having Mac support? No, I think Mac support's completely scrapped. Macs just don't have what it takes to play games, unfortunately. We just crashed the engine. We just crashed the engine by trying to get a reference to a widget itself. Oh, wait. No, we didn't. It's just not doing anything. We can't break in a widget for some reason. I don't know what's going on. I mean, we just print the index. Anyway, yeah, so Macs are just not, like, they don't have the like components to be able to play like modern games. Unless you have a really expensive Mac. And here's the problem. We got it running on Mac, but it only like 10% of Mac users have the Mac that can like actually run it, right? Run our game. Even with like big optimizations that we've done recently, like it still takes a lot of it still takes a really high level for like high-end Mac to run the game. And so the problem is it's not even recognizing the things being pressed. I don't understand. Anyway, so yeah, so the problem is even if we do like make builds for Mac, here the biggest issue is that we have, every time we make a new build, we have to package it for Windows, and then we have to test it on Windows. And if we do Mac 2, then we also have to make it for Mac, or package it for Mac on a Mac, by the way. We have to own a Mac, and I don't. So we have to find someone who has a Mac that'll do it for us every time. And this is every update and every single patch. And basically for testing as well, we should be doing this like all the time. So like every week we should be doing this. So I have to find someone with a Mac or buy one myself, which costs for one that'll run it probably like, you know, $3,000 to $5,000 somewhere in there, which I cannot afford right now. And then the biggest problem is that only 10% or so of Mac users can even run the game, right? And only about 5% of Steam's entire player base uses Mac. So we could expect somewhere between like So like if 10% of 5% is, you know, half a percent basically. So we're looking at about a half a percent increase in sales if we do max support, which costs us about anywhere from 3 to 5 grand upfront and a whole bunch of time and testing, like, because then I have to test everything myself because I don't think most of our testers have Macs that could run the game. And so now, like, basically what that means is I have to spend hours and hours, like, building things and then testing it on Mac. And if it doesn't work on the Mac, then I have to fix it on the Mac and hope that whatever that fix is also works on Windows, because I can't like split our branch like that. It's just that it's not a practical way to work on like the game as a small independent developer. So we just decided it was not worth the effort, and going forward, our studio will never develop for Mac either again. It's just not worth the effort, and like we feel bad that we promised it because we had different assumptions of how the Mac was going to work, about how Macs work, and like how development was going to work, and we should have just like done more research first. Anyway, I'm going to level up the old-fashioned way, I guess, because for some reason that's not working now, even though it was working before. Mystic level 0. Like, why did I not unlock the Mystic skill? What the flip is wrong with this thing? Okay, we've broken something and I don't know what it is. But it's weird. I don't understand what's wrong. Oh, and we're frozen again. This is the kind of, like, every once in a while we have a day where I get on and like this is what we do all day is I just sit and deal with this garbage. And it's just so frustrating. And then I'm like, I don't want to work on this today because like it's just a pain. Thanks, Shabla. I'm glad someone believes me. Let's go look. Oh, wait. Like nothing is working. I just, what has broken? What could have possibly broken? And why is Warrior not broken? And why aren't the skill trees showing up? No one else is complaining about like not being able to level up or anything. I don't have any like bug reports about that. Like we're showing the tools. Get to work on a game as large as yours, so I can't possibly know what it's like. It's annoying. I don't know if I want to check it out. I'm a little nervous that I don't know what happened. I haven't touched anything today. I'm racking my brain trying to think of anything that I might have broken prior to this, but I can't think of anything. And my computer is running like it's like underwater today. I don't know why. You know what? I just had this weird realization. I think this is a bugged character. Oh no. I think this is a bugged character. I think it's because Jana and I went through and set up this character in our like manually. This is a like a review character. That's the only thing I can think of is this character might be missing all of it. Oh, you know what? I bet you money that's what it is. Shit. That's a big problem. We need to like get that patched as soon as possible. Like that might be like a today and tomorrow patch thing. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Okay, yeah, I know what's happening. It's because, yeah, alright, so what happens is player character, no, it's player component. Okay. So what happens is the player component has to have on all of our skills here somewhere. Class skills? Class levels. It's not this one though. Is it? Player data maybe? Yeah, okay, so as you can see here, we have all these skills. No, that's not the one though. There's nothing under class level either. Maybe we did fix that. And I don't know. It's got to be that skills new. Or you know, it's probably the class levels. I think we have to set all of them to 0. Unfortunately, I can't fix it right now. The only thing I can do now is just remove it. So that's annoying. I guess we could try to fix it. We could like we could try to test it. It'd be annoying to like fix and test. I'm probably gonna compare. Oh, I shouldn't have deleted that. Damn it. I should have left the save game. Oh, I guess with the Alara one. Come on, Unreal Engine. So Alara's save game here is a bunch of gibberish. But yeah, we do have a skill list, which is none for everything. And then class levels. So now let's make a new. Come on. It's like every time I touch anything, Unreal's like, hold on, let me think about this. My computer's gonna explode. Anyway, Loki, I hope I answered your question. I feel really bad about the Mac support, but
It's just not like
There's just not enough players to justify all the time and effort and money. Jesus, come on.